Hi, it's Ms. Todoric from the Cool Classroom, and today we are going to update our Gumball machine spreadsheet. So it is week 19, and we did $9. It was low because Monday we had off, Tuesday we had a snow day, and on Wednesday we had some icy road conditions, so we came in a little late. And it is Thursday right now, January 18th, around noon, and I'm recording this. So we didn't have too much in sales this past week. I also, January 18th, we filled, so you guys remember those red Starburst jelly beans? I filled up the right side and I just put it on top of the runts. The runts were very, very low, so you'll probably see some runts in our video. I'll show you what it looks like. And then on top of it, I put the red jelly beans. So we are all out of stock. And then we're just going to keep it that way. So we have nothing left. Everything is in the machine, as you'll see in the video that I show you. And then we're going to record sales from here on out and see how we do. So once again, it is January 18th. So the week of January 15th, we did $9. Thanks for watching. Bye.